Today, I'm going to teach you how to make sesame mochi balls.
Going over the filling, shrimp, egg white, potato starch, salt. Peel the shrimp, devein, chop up into pieces. Put the shrimp in a Japanese mortar pestle. This is called suribachi. A little bit more than a pinch of salt. We're going to start grinding them up. As you grind them up with the salt, the moisture comes out and it becomes sticky. Once it gets sticky, let's add the egg white and the potato starch in. You can use the Roku to make the process quicker. Next up is the mochi part. Mochi flour, water, and sugar. Get one of these. 200 grams of mochi flour, 60 grams of sugar, and 120 grams of water. Now we're going to mix this up really well. The texture should come out looking like this, and if it isn't, add a little bit more water or mochi flour so it is. We're going to roll the dough out, cut it into little portions, stretch it out, add a little bit of that shrimp paste in the middle, roll it up, and then once it's rolled, close off the end, toss it in some sesame seeds, and boom, we're ready to get to the fryer. Drop it in at 320 degrees. The temp in this video is a little bit hotter than it should be, so it browned quicker. I also use roasted sesame seeds. You want to use raw sesame seeds so the color doesn't get as dark as mine does. You can fill it with anything you want and make it sweet or savory. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my video. Thanks for watching till the end.